What's up, people? Welcome back. If you're a Kenyan YouTuber and you started YouTube recently, I know what you're going through. I know the hardship you're facing. When you're starting something, what way people think the big YouTubers in Kenya here will make it in one day. No. Behind the scene, these people struggled a lot, right? So, ukianza YouTube, nobody cares whether you're making good quality content or you're doing what, you have equipment, nobody cares. Ukwe YouTuber, what wanaanza kunotice when you start making money. Ukianza kumetengeza dough, ndio msana anaweza sema, oh, kumbe YouTube inalipa. But when you are starting out, even your friends, watch videos zako sote. That every time you create content unawatupia, they won't watch every video you create on your YouTube channel. Wataona ya kwanza, after that, kwisha. Views hazikuji tena. Ukianza YouTube, don't raise your expectation, right? Most cases, nobody want to associate themselves with a starting thing. Ukianza business, hata customer utapata. But when that business peaks, utaanza kupata hata client wenyewe kwa nafaa kwa client wako, waanze kuja kwa client because of stories. People want to connect with you. Anza YouTube na ujue una fight as an individual. No audience uko now. So at first video, uko na immediate audience who are your friends. Then from that video, ukisha create zingine unapatanga hao pia na wanaanza kuchoka kuona video zako. Anza YouTube na uanze kufight kiwewe. Sawa. Anza YouTube leo na uanze kufight kiwewe. Ukitaka kujua your true friends, create a YouTube channel. Peja napoteleanga hakuna.